What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be working on the R1 again, because as you guys seen in the previous R1 video, we basically stripped the whole bike apart and found a lot of damaged parts. I have bought some new and second-hand parts, as well as some of my parts have been repaired. I'm ready to put this bike back together, so I hope you guys stick around. Alright guys, so the GSX-R is basically ready for fairings, but I have been receiving a lot of comments about the R1, and that is why we are working on it today. As well as I just got in the new headers. My headers are a little bit damaged, and that is why I am replacing them. As well as I also got a new radiator. My radiator is also a little bit damaged. These parts would have probably worked just as good if I reused them, but I do want the bike to look as good as I can, and that is why I am replacing them. As well as I also got a new subframe, and I sent in my forks to have them straightened, so everything is now in good condition. But before we install any of these parts on the bike, I want to buff out the headers and link pipe, clean out the new radiator as well as the oil cooler, so let's dive straight into it. Alright guys, so the headers and the link pipe is all buffed out, as well as the radiator and oil cooler is cleaned up. Everything looks almost as good as new. I also sent in these coolant pipes to have them sprayed candy apple red. You guys won't understand why I did this just yet, but once the bike is complete you will understand then. As well as this is also another reason why I haven't been making any parts on the R1, because I have been waiting for these. But before we install any of these parts, I quickly want to clean up the bike. It's not greasy or anything like that, but it is dusty because it has been standing for a little while. And then I also want to remove the calipers so that we can install all of these parts without damaging anything. So let's get to work.
Alright guys, the headers, radiator and oil cooler is installed, and so far everything is looking really good. I also installed those RNG guards, and those guards actually came with the bike when I got it. They were still in good condition, and that is why I decided to reuse them. I also picked up a new handlebar. It is in here because mine snapped off. Luckily it wasn't that expensive, but now I want to go ahead and install the forks and triple tree as well as the handlebars, so let's get into it. Alright, so the forks, triple tree and handlebars are installed and everything is torqued to spec. I also love the way this coolant pipe looks with that candy apple red. I wonder what you guys think, so if you can let me know in the comments down below. But next up, I want to install the subframe as well as all the bits and pieces that go onto the subframe, and then we can also install the back part of the wire harness. Alright guys, so the subframe, the wire harness and all the parts that go onto the subframe have been installed, and this build is really starting to come together. I've also found a new front wheel and I have sent in the wheels to be painted. I should be getting that back within this week. I've also sent in the GSXR seat so they can put a new custom seat cover on for me because the seat was actually torn. As well as I'm also waiting for the rubber piece that goes onto the exhaust bracket. So I'm still waiting for parts on both of these bikes. I'm not exactly sure which I will be getting first, but you guys will just have to stay tuned to find out. And with that being said, that is going to be a wrap for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment your thoughts down below. As well as I would like to thank all of my existing YouTube members. I really do appreciate all of your support. And if you would like to become a YouTube member, you can click the join button, which is right next to the subscribe button. There are many perks to choose from as little as $2.99. As well as you can also follow me on Instagram at Garreth_Collins. You will be seeing me in the next video. So until then, peace out.